Well, this is more than a tad embarrassing, boys and girls. Been reviewing the lighting in here. Have quite a lot of somewhat unusual lighting, as some people will know. And that sign came from Plug, the nightclub. Anyone remember Plug? So anyway, yeah, we got loads of lighting. With about 6 different DMX circuits in here. And I've just purchased, and they came smashed up in the courier, so I had to buy some replacement knobs. But I've just purchased some incredibly powerful LED Par 64 18 10 watt lamps. But here's the problem: I can't remember how it all works. Honestly, really, I can't remember. I built this probably 9-10 years ago, so I know some of these are main stage, front of house, sort of ambient lighting. That might be front of house ambient lighting. This is, I think, for some of the, oh crikey, some of the like moving heads, and some of the like laser effects. So there's those moving heads. I know most of these are for the Optikinetics. I can't remember what that's for. Yeah, so I think there's those 8 up there are on their own. Those other, and there's 2 over there. Oh crumbs! And there's those as well. I think I might have to plug it all in and play. Part of the problem is that a lot of these are powered. The DMX ones are powered from plug sockets up in the middle of nowhere, so I had to trust my life up a ladder to get those turned on. Now I think these are actually switching packs, so the switching packs here and there, bugger off, and apologies for all the wiring, but when these were all put together, this was oh, move that out of the way. This was it's a prototype. It was all put together for a prototype. Can't remember what switches that one. That switches that one. That's not on, and then that just controls those LED strips. Anyway, cool, blimey gov. So what I'm now going to do, right, so that this bank controls those. So what's that on at the moment? It's on some kind of strange chase by the look of it. Not sure if any of these, okay, very strange. I didn't like those. They were cheap, those LEDs, LED whatever cans. They're not even cans. So yeah, I'll have a look at those later. So let's turn that back to blackout. I'm fairly sure this, well, oh, actually I don't know. Oh, we've got some of the ambient lights around the edges going, so that's one of these. It's not this one. I'm fairly sure it's not this one. So I don't know what this one is. I thought that might be the other park hands. Right, I'm going to learn what I set this up to do. I can't remember. It's not quite working, is it? Now, this is called a flip-flop prism rotator, and it literally does that. It rotates a prism which flip-flops. Now, unfortunately, there's like a rubber band on there which has perished over the years, so I'm going to need to find a way of replacing it, which means I've got to take that down. Cheap set of O-rings from Aldi. So the largest of the O-rings. Seems to fit. It's not always making contact, but I think it's got some silicone grease on there. I might clean that off. And then I think we have fixed the flip-flop prism. Unfortunately, the power to that projector now seems to have stopped. Oh well. Anyway, it's not a problem because all of this is only kind of like tacked up, and it's all put up really as a prototype more than anything else, just to see how everything's likely to work, and then eventually there will be a complete structured electrical supply, and these are all on switch packs, so these will operate separately from the DMX. But yeah, good. I think it's probably a good idea to start taking some of these down and give them a good blast. Got that moving head working as well. And for some reason that one's not firing up. I might get on a chair and wiggle its lead. And those aren't over there. Those aren't over there. These seem to be apart from the one which got the spodoscope in. Well, not looking too bad. I need to get up. I think those are the ones that I'm going to use as a donor for the LED conversion. Right. Well, almost getting back to where we was in party mode. It's been an interesting couple of hours. I think I remember what most of this does. As you can turn these off. So we've got the Par 64s, the like real ones, big halogen Par 64s. Good. On channel 1 is the moving head over there. That's the one that can project different, oh, come back, different gobos. Oh well, never mind, I'll come back to that. What we got on here, so these are those really crap manky horrible. They were crap from the day I bought them, but at the time, you know, that was new technology, believe it or not. Anyway, kill those. These here, this bank is, I don't know what's controlling that one up there. I'm going to map this all out. These, by the way, will be going. Keep one bank, and then I've got another DMX to a switching thing under there. Yeah, anyway, what was I going to do with this? Yeah, let's bring some of these up. So we have which are quite nice, and then those, what are those on? 7, I think, aren't they? Yeah. So, oh dear. Right, so that's those. Yeah, so we're getting there. This here should control these all the way around the outside, but unfortunately only 2 of them look like they're working. So that should go around the whole room. So that's something that needs looking at, as does whatever's controlling that one up there. I have no idea. But there we have it. I'm sort of like relearning it. Most of it seems to be reasonably understandable. Those are the kind of like the main, those par 64s over there, because they give a lot of kind of like front of house light, and also onto stage. These are dimmer. Hang on, what's those then? Right, those should be on the dimmer. Maybe not. What are they on then? Off, on. You get the gist. I'm getting there. Anyway, let's kill those, and if we kill those, and then throw this is why I'm getting rid of these. Right, so we've got most of the opties are now all working, and the lasers, although I need to fix the trigger on the lasers. But yeah, getting there. Let's turn some of the that's not good. There we are. Oh, you're coming to life, are you? Yeah? Are you going to do something? You're not going to do anything. Alright, don't. Alright, so yeah. All I got to do is clear all this shit out, and we'll have a venue again. There's a lot of lights in here. And work out why these ambient round the edge lights aren't coming on. That should be something simple. It might just be that they're fucked. But yeah, so there we go. A quick, not so quick, overview of the boathouse lighting rig. So there's There it is, these 5 DMX circuits. What would be nice would be, like, this is 1 to 64. This is also 1 to 64, which is a pain in the arse. If there was an inline way of making this start at 65, so instead of starting on 1, it starts at 65, then I could just have one big DMX circuit in the building. But I don't know how to do that. So yeah, I'm happy that everything still works, because it's been, I've worked it out, over 4 years since we had a proper party here. So you know what that means, boys and girls. We need to plan one. That's it for now. Hope you found that interesting. Take care.